Guys, welcome back again. I want to unbox like things that I got from Nigeria. I got some items, some food items from Nigeria, so I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys right now. This kind of fish you saying okay as if I'm showing him. So this is what we have here. Okay, this one is onema seed. I don't know. Onema seed. This seed. Yeah, I love it a lot. You can use it to cook banga soup. This is ogbono. Yes, so wow, this is egusi. Oh, this is pepper.
Pepper.
Yes.
Pepper.
Pepper, yes. Guys, look at this. This is pepper.
Pepper.
This one is big crayfish. I don't know how you guys are going to see this. But this is big crayfish.
By duck.
Remove your hand. Remove your hand.
Wow. Oh.
This is the native big crayfish. I love it. So nice. Blended crayfish. Already blend. My goodness. Look at the blended crayfish. Oh, and don't touch it, please. Guys, look at the fish. So guys, that's all we have from Nigeria.
The next
hasta allí domino el chocolate.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's a girl here promise, and you're welcome to this vlog, guys. Anyway guys, we just got home. We went to Owen's school for their end of the year party, although we didn't go early. So yeah, we just got home and I decided to start this vlog. It's been a long, I can't remember when last I vlog. I'm not even consistent. I'm not even consistent with vlogging anymore. I don't even know why. Right now I want to arrange my room. This room is so messed up. Oh, come and put your clothes now. Oh, and drop it. Come and wear trousers.
You see.
These are the things they gave Owen at school. Yeah, so this one's this is just the painting they did in their school this season. Yeah, this is what they did at school this season. These pictures. Yeah, look at us here. The day they always started school. This is the day Owen started school. Me and his dad, we went together. Yeah, this is the day they started school. You can see. Oh wait, no, please be careful.
That?
Yeah, this one is daddy's songs. Owen, yes. Who is this?
Daddy?
Who is this?
Me?
Who is this?
I see.
Who?
I see.
Ah, his name is Asi. Oh, I don't know what is in his name. Ah, okay. Yeah. This is it. Look at it here. Look at us here. Trying to help them to count in over.
Mommy?
So this yes guys, that is the only picture I think. This is just what they did at school. Oh, I went big well.
Butter.
This is another picture of them at school.
Butter.
It's only motor you see your face. Play board. Look at Owen.
Butter.
Yeah. Oh well, let me see. This is Owen. Oh wait, no. It's only motor you see there.
The next day.
Hi guys, welcome back again. I received some package today which I'm going to be unboxing. This package is coming from Shein, so let me unbox it with you guys. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this is jeans trouser. Wow, it's actually nice, guys. Are you serious? Are you kidding me? This is my first time to order jeans online, like online, anywhere at all. So nice, eh? And it's very affordable. Okay, this one is kind of like total neck. I ordered size M. Size L? Seriously? Anyway, I thought I ordered size M. Is L. Wow, this is also nice. Look at this. Look at this, guys.
You know if you buy clothes.
Why are you talking?
You did buy unisex. You did buy woman.
Eh? Seriously, what? So you're the jealous?
I'm just telling you how to buy things.
Hey guys, thank God you guys can hear this one now. That is what you always say. I should be buying unisex. Is it on my clothes that will be unisex? Must not be on my clothes.
Do you have any clothes like any polo that I can put on? But you wear my clothes. You wear my sleeve. You wear my polo.
Did I used to wear the sleeve out?
You can use my sleeve to dress out.
Don't worry, next time.
But you won't try it.
But this one is jealousy, sha.
Well,
This one is jealousy. Just agree. Agree, you are jealous. Guys, look at this one that I got as well. These things that I got, they are very affordable. I also ordered this as well. Oh, this one is actually pink. is nice for this coat. I ordered size S in this one. I ordered the size that the model was wearing. You are caught in the act. Guys, still you want to try on my shirt that me myself I have not tried on.
My stomach was crashing, so that's why this thing was crashing.
I see it. Guys, seriously, oh my god, look at this, guys, look at this. Oh my goodness, I think I'm going to try them on. This one is so nice. I love it. See this one too, similar like this. Oh my god, let me try it on, guys. Guys, please ignore this my cap. This is night. Like after this video I'm going to bed. I can't be wearing hair to do this video. Just going to order more jeans because I don't actually have jeans anymore. Look at this. Can you see this, guys? Oh my god, I so much love. I ordered this particular one in size S. Yeah. Guys, this one also I went for size S as well, which is small size. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so nice. Look at it. And guys, if I tell you like these clothes I'm trying on, each of them, they are like, I don't even know, they are so affordable. I don't even know how to describe it, guys. So affordable. Guys, look at this as well. I also ordered size, yeah, size S, small size on this. This is small. This size M. This is medium, but it's tight. Yeah, so tight. I can't wear it. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be wearing this, but it's very tight anyway. It's not that bad though, but I think it's too tight. That is my own thinking. I even thought this top is going to be big the way I was seeing it at first, but I thought wrong anyway. The top is nice, I like it, but just that it's too tight for me, right? No, it's too tight. It's too tight, but I love this top though. It's just too tight. How it be?
It's cool.
But it's tight. It's tight, guys. This one is tight. Which size did I take? I took, oh my goodness, size LE. Seriously? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I took size LE. Now size LE tights me like this. These people must be kidding me. They must be joking. This one is too tight. This top and this one that I tried, these two top I tried last, they are tight for me. But anyways, it's not that bad. I still like them, but it's very tight. Yeah, this is it. So let me know your favorite top in all of this top I just tried on.